Good morning, class 3 students. Today we are going to learn subject and predicate. Before I start to explain the lesson, let us do the work given in the textbook first. Underline the people or animals who are doing the action. Number 1, the dog barked at the stranger. Helaya hian mishing emo ramsai mo thil ti tu te hian hnuaya thai phayang che. Atiani chuta chuan the dog barked at the stranger aron oma the dog he atitu ania kan thai ang hnuaya chutiang ang che chuan the boy kicked the ball aron dia the boy hi hnuaya kan thai phei liang atitu te piang hi kan thai phei zelang mita ate an apple ania mita a chuanin mita ti la hi kan thai phei liang I went to the mall bazara dora kakal tina nga nyang chu mizo tong chuan soidan mola kakal mo ai hi hnuaya kan thayang Radhika works at the bank Radhika I chu bank ka na athok atia Radhika hi kan thayang hnuaya we like our teacher very much ui hianin keima ni soina nia ui kan thayang the students are playing in the ground heta hianin mishing te moram sa te mo thairo atia the students ti chu school no pangte tina nia hnuaya kan thayanga the elephant ate a bunch of bananas ramsa te the elephant mo sai kan thayang my aunt dances beautifully kani mo kanu te tu na takin lama moi takin lama my aunt hi kan thai phayang the fairy granted 3 wishes fairy kha thil nung ania atitu ania chuwangin anhwaya hian ashil fiana ronom tani each sentence has someone who is doing the action the rest of the sentence tell us something about the person or the animal that is doing the action heng sentence lo om te hianin tu in emothil ati chanchin miron shila chuanin thil ti tu kha aron soi masabera ni ati ra khan ati tu ron soi masabera mo heng sentence te hianin ati tu kha an nei zelani chuan adot le a chuanin kha thil ti tu ina ati kha ron soi fia ta thina ni omzia chu each sentence has someone who is doing the action ati chu mi khang thur mal sentence te khanin thil ti tu pakhat ania adot le a chuanin a thil ti chu ron soi fia lia lai entir na hi kan lo enang one who does the action thil ti tu rest of the sentence aron le ta a thil ti tu hi the dog ania adot le a chon the boy ania adot le a chon mita chon rest of the sentence a chuan the dog barked at the stranger the boy kicked the ball mita ate an apple chuti chuan kan lo khai khom na tura chuan subject chu atitu ania predicate a chuanin athil ti lo soifia na thu ron zom phei tu kha subject chu atitu predicate chu adang zong sentence la banga ron chun zom na thil ti tu ina athil ti ron soifia na thu ron zom tu kha ani the dog hi subject ania barked at the stranger hi predicate ani the boy hi subject ania kicked the ball lai hi predicate ani mita hi subject ania ate an apple lai hi predicate ani chuti chuan bark ti te kick ti te ate ti te hi verb ania thil ti action words ania bark chu bau ti na nia kick chu pe ti na nia ate chu a ti na nia chuan avai hian action words hemi te pathum bi ki ania verb ti hnuai mi zung hi kan thil ti kan soina reng hi verb ani chuti chuan kan zir lai veina kan zir tur chu subject le predicate shiat fia chawnia chu kan la zirang hei hi in textbook a in lo ti theu do nia